Welcome to GridMarkets Blender Setup and Submission. Ensure you have installed the Blender plugin from Envoy. Please see the Envoy tutorial at gridmarkets.com/Envoy for instructions. Note: we do not force auto-load for the plugin, so Blender by default will not auto-load the GridMarkets plugin. Please go to Edit Preferences, then choose the Add-ons category, then type Grid in the search box to find our plugin. Mark the checkbox next to its name to set it to be auto-loaded with Blender. Make sure to restart Blender after installing the GridMarkets plugin. Select the GridMarkets tab in the menu bar to open the GridMarkets Blender plugin. The Submit to GM window opens with all your render settings ready to check before you submit your render to GridMarkets. This is where you can override some of your settings in your Blender scene. Note: all other render settings will be taken from your scene. Hit the Submit button when you're ready to proceed. The pre-flight window will appear, and list all the files that will be uploaded for the given job. You can also deselect files or folders that were picked up and are not needed. You can manually upload any files that are not listed by selecting the appropriate boxes to the left to reveal the locations. Note: only the root directory of the given folder or drive will be revealed with a singular box check. Tick the boxes down the folder tree to reveal deeper paths. Check the boxes on the right to add the given folders or files to the upload list. Hit Upload and Submit when ready. You will get a notification that the upload has started. Press OK. Go to Envoy to see the upload and render submission status. Note: the Submit to GM window will remain open in case you want to submit the same scene with different parameters. Close it if it's no longer needed. Thanks for watching. Go to gridmarkets.com to learn more about how we can service all your rendering needs.